Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you uh, how to turn on voice chat on Roblox without an ID or with ID. So first of all, you have to if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. So now let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com on your browser, or you can also open app on your mobile or PC. Now just click on setting and go to settings. Now you just need to go to in privacy. Once you're in privacy, you just need to scroll down and you will see here microphone and camera input. To turn on my voice chat, you just need to enable this permission from here. Use microphone to chat with voice. Just click on toggle button and click on again to enable it. So just click on enable microphone. So click on this enable button to enable microphone to be used by Roblox. Once you enable this permission or once you give the permission to Roblox to use your mic on Roblox, now it's very easy to turn on the voice chat in the game, in any game on Roblox. You just need to open any game and click on the mic over avatar side, you will get the voice chat. But if you don't see this option in the privacy, then what would you like, or what do you need to do? So basically, if you don't see this option, so they are two reason you are not seeing this option, because you haven't verified your age, or you are under 13 and you have no ID, so you can't verify your age. There are two reasons. So how can you get without an ID? So basically, uh, if you want to get this mic in privacy without an ID, so you have to be part of the beta features. So Roblox is selecting a very random people's in beta program for the voice chat, because in beta program Roblox offering offering voice chat without an ID for the under 13 and or the without an ID. So basically you don't need to verify your ID or verify your age to get voice chat on Roblox. Fine, so that's how you can also get it. And if you are above 30 18 and if you still want the voice chat and you don't want to wait for the beta features to roll out, then guys, you have to verify your age. Just click on account info and click on verify my age. So I can't show you because due to the privacy things, and you just need to verify your age by uploading your back and front of the photo ID, and you will be able to verify your age. It's a very simple steps. You can do it at your own. Once you verify your age, this option will be added into your privacy. I just need to enable it from here and you will get the voice chat. Fine. So this is a very easy steps you can follow, and hope you like it, and thanks for watching.